This is the elevator at the shops at the Biltmore. The elevator that goes up to the bathrooms at the Biltmore in Asheville, North Carolina. Let's get a cab view. One, GAL Jet Plus fixtures. 1995, wow, that's much newer than I thought this was. Let's go up to 2. Non-ADA phone door close button works. I like that. Oh, go down? Mm-hmm. Just drops. It's old. It says only 1995. The other ones are really old. If there are elevators that are historic 1890s Otis in the main house, but that part, they do not allow photography there. So, yeah, and they're reserved for handicapped only, so I couldn't even ride it, sadly. Let's get a cab view. Here we are. And there it goes. And that's it.